Assalamu alaikum, food enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the heart of Indian cuisine with a culinary masterpiece, Mutton Yakni Pulav. Imagine fragrant basmati rice cooked with succulent mutton, infused with aromatic yakni broth. I'm your quirky quest, and I'm delighted to guide you through this authentic and flavorful journey. But before we embark on this delight, let's gather our aromatic ingredients. 2 tablespoon ghee. 1 tablespoon oil. Whole spices, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, 1 green cardamom, 1 small cinnamon, 2 cloves, 1 small PC mace, 2 onions sliced, 2 slit green chilies, 500 grams mutton, lamb, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons whisked dahi, yogurt, 2 cups water, 2 tablespoons saffron dissolved in milk, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon kasturi methi, dried fenugreek leaves, 1½ cup basmati rice, washed and soaked. To garnish, 1/2 cup fried onions. Wash and soak the basmati rice for 30 minutes and then drain it off. Now in a cooker, heat oil and ghee and fry all the whole spices for 30 seconds. Next add the onions and green chilies, along with salt and fry on medium-low heat for 10 minutes till the onions start to brown. Now add the mutton and start frying the mutton for 10-15 minutes. As the meat start to brown, add in the ginger garlic and keep frying till the meat gets a nice browning on all sides. Now add in the dahi, yogurt, along with water and pressure cook for 4-5 whistles. Open the cooker, you will see a nice yakni has formed and the meat is nice and tender but not completely overcooked. Now add in the saffron milk, garam masala, kasturi methi, dried fenugreek leaves, and rice and mix well. Pressure cooks this for another 2 whistles and then release most of the pressure and don't open the lid. Just let the rice sit in the cooker for 20 minutes. Now that the rice has rested, just fluff it up using a fork and serve it on a plate garnished with fried onions. And there you have it, Mutton Yakni Pulav, an authentic and flavorful delight ready to grace your table. If you're ready to bring the rich flavors of India to your kitchen, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more culinary journeys. Enjoy this authentic and flavorful experience, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!